सबसे पहले सर आपको इस मैगजीन के लिए बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ कि आपने इसे रिलॉन्चिंग किया। आप इस मैगजीन के बारे में सर बताएंगे।
Caravan is a literary magazine on politics, culture, art, literature. Uh, the name Caravan has been has been almost 70 years old. What we have done now is that we have relaunched the magazine after it was out of print for almost 20 years. The magazine is very simply it's a magazine on politics, on art, culture, literature. But what is distinctive, what is unique about the magazine is that it is styled on a different kind of journalism, which has not been tried out in India yet, which we call narrative journalism or narrative non-fiction writing. This is a style of writing which is practiced by magazines such as the New Yorker, the Harper, the Atlantic in America, and essentially with narrative journalism, you go into reporting, extensive reportage, extensive analysis of any particular story, so that you create an article which is not just a news article. It is a story with characters, with settings, with plots, a lot of personal voice, a lot of engaging voice to attract the reader's attention. As against a news magazine or as against a newspaper article, which is mostly giving you information. An article in a magazine like a New Yorker, and that's what Caravan will be trying to do, will run you through a story which will be based on some issue of political or social importance. It will be a story from the field of culture, it will be a story from the field of art, it will be even cinema. But as against the conventional norm of journalism where we just give information, here the idea will be that the writer goes deep into the story, goes below the layers, beneath the layers, of what are the various dynamics happening within the story, and then present to the reader a wholesome picture, which has a very very strong literary flair to it. And that is what is the unique thing about the magazine, that it is not confined by the norms of news reportage, conventional form of news reportage.
सर टारगेट और रीडरशिप आपका क्या है इसमें?
Target readership, essentially anybody who's a curious reader, who likes to read, who likes to know about the world around him, who reads newspapers, who reads magazines, but then wants to go beyond that, who's also looking for a certain reading experience, which he gets from good books, which he gets from good literature. We are trying to blend conventional journalism with book writing, and that's why anybody who goes into a bookshop to buy a book written by Arundhati Roy or by Ramachandran Guha, he would be a target audience of this magazine. Generally, he'll be very highly educated. He might be from any age background. He might be from any socio-economic background. Essentially, they would tend to be people who have a certain intellectual curiosity that drives them.
आपकी इस मैगजीन में पॉलिटिक्स और कल्चर को आपने कुछ ज़्यादा ही फोकस किया और लगता नहीं कुछ सेक्टर्स आपके इसमें छूट रहे हैं?
पॉलिटिक्स एंड कल्चर इज अ वेरी ब्रॉड थीम। अब पॉलिटिक्स में आप इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स भी आ जाएगा, आपका सोशल अफेयर्स भी आ जाएगा, आपको डोमेस्टिक पॉलिटिक्स भी आ जाएगा। एंड कल्चर बाय इटसेल्फ डजंट मीन कि सिर्फ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर और पेंटिंग्स। कल्चर ऑल्सो मीन्स सोसाइटी, इट ऑल्सो मीन्स ट्रैवल, इट ऑल्सो मीन्स स्टोरीज अबाउट लाइफ। तो उस हिसाब से आई थिंक वी विल बी कैरिंग अ कंप्लीट स्पेक्ट्रम of journalism. We will be writing profiles of political personalities, we will be writing economy stories, we will be doing business stories. Not in each issue you will not find everything being covered, but over the 3 or 4 issues you will find stories from each walks of life.
एक सर्वे आई थे,
सर्वे जो है उन पे काफ़ी डिबेट चलती हो रही है कि इन सर्विस की क्या मेथोडोलॉजी है, क्या सही इनकी मेथोडोलॉजी सही है या नहीं है, इनकी फाइंडिंग कितनी एक्यूरेट है। तो अगर हम सिर्फ सर्वेज पे जाना मेरे ख्याल से will not be appropriate, because surveys, most publishers and most magazine and newspaper publishers are now doubting whether these surveys are being done in the most scientific manner. Readership in the country is not declining. It is possible that किसी एक मैगजीन की या किसी एक न्यूज़पेपर का रीडरशिप कभी कम होता है, किसी और का बढ़ता है। तो ओवरऑल जो रीडरशिप है मैगजीन्स एंड न्यूज़पेपर्स की, दैट इज ऑन एन अपस्विंग, बिकॉज हमारी कंट्री की लिटरेट पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, our number of people studying in colleges is increasing every year. So there is, all these people are wanting to read. So clearly there's a market for such a magazine.
आने वाले आपके जो इसके अगले जो नेक्स्ट मैगजीन होंगे उसमें क्या आपका फोकस रहेगा? उसमें
फोकस विल बी ऑन, I mean in terms of stories, so I don't think so I can tell you about what stories will be do, because or everything is work in progress. But यही mix of a good mix of Indian domestic political stories, international politics, art, culture, literature, fiction, poetry, जो regular things हमारी हैं.
थैंक यू सर.